Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find your profile section on your account on Amazon, shopping easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application. Now as you see here, you will find this profile or this icon here. Click on it. Now here you will find hello and your username. Click on it, and then here if you want to switch accounts or if you want to add profile. So if you want to look your profile, click view. So here you will find your profile section, so you can change it, your name from here. You can change your name here. You can add your preferences to help the Amazon personalized recommendations for you. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.